Mark and Andrea with MK Builds are here. You can see their truck back there. Trent and Melissa with Prime Focus. Pics are here. Young person at a physical rehab facility, but they have to have a ramp for mobility before they can come home. I'll show you guys what we're working on.
We are building one of the deck frames for the ramp.
Yeah, so this shovel this shovel has seen better days. Where were you on that one? Good job, Mark. Good job. I was helping. I want to see that pickaxe. All right. Hard today.
It's hard sometimes.
Yeah, this will work good. This is awesome. Oh, did you say this is the best one yet?
Yeah, it was.
All right.
Volunteers.
All right, well.
It was the best
one yet.
It's the best one yet. Woo, thanks, man. All right, yeah. It's the best. You guys are awesome.
Done by one.
Yeah.
This was very, very successful. Like, we got it done. We did it. Woohoo! And here's the evidence.